So today we're going to visit Guy at his shop, see the progress on his Triumph track bike. He has some of the powder coating on, the wheels are back, parts of the frame are done, he's got the new chain on, he's got new tires. Want to see a progress report. And he's also creating a spray booth in his house. He wants to learn to do his own paint work. So we're visiting Guy's garage today. We're going to see the progress on his track bike.
They're all brushed, yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Vlad's here with us. This is Guy's garden. He won the tomato GP. He did way more tomatoes than Karen and I had. I think he cheated though. He used organic fertilizer.
Cleaning up. It's not.
Humidity's a good thing.
The same lift. Well, similar.
That's a nice lift, huh, Guy?
Harbor Freight? Windy Freight. No.
It's a windy freight. I gave him that.
Did you buy a Harbor Freight?
Yeah, it's a Harbor Freight one. Yeah.
Yeah, mine is even heavy duty. I mean, I bought it, and mine is pneumatic. Oh yeah? Yeah.
It's nice though, isn't
They
it?
don't make it anymore.
Works good.
So I have a compressor.
Yeah, this is my old lift from my track days. Now that Guy's a big track guy, may as well let him have fun with it. So here's the powder coating.
Next, I gotta start doing that. What's with that?
You put brand new tires on it?
Oh yeah.
All right, brand new tires, getting ready for next year's track.
It's a 98.
This is the powder coated parts that he had done by, we'll try to give that guy a plug before the video's over.
Oh, I rode the shit out of it, yeah. So why is it sitting? Well, it's been sitting because where am I gonna ride? Oh, it's a
shift light that he put on there.
Where did you ride before? Englishtown, and then we used to go practice at Jack Frost in Pennsylvania. Then Luciano goes to me, he goes, why don't you do a supermoto thing? So I said, all right, maybe over the winter time I'll try to find the rims and tires and... Yeah, but how are you gonna register? I have a title for it. You have a title? I actually have a title for it. How? When I bought it new, they gave me a title. It was this big. Title, not registration. Swear to God, it's a title.
So you can make this into a street bike now? Technically?
Well, enough to take it to, like if I wanted to take it to the Poconos with regular tires.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Wow,
yeah, you can make a supermoto with it. That's
two-stroke. Yep. I don't like two strokes. Too much work.
Oh, stop! Get him out of here, will you? Go knock his bike over.
You see in the light how it changes to like...
Yes.
It does. Beautiful.
Yeah.
I had a KTM 250, and it was like, when I got rid of it, I'm like, oh, thank God.
Do you have this guy's business card so I can put it on a video? Or a sticker or something?
I gave you his, Very nice. I texted you his...
You got 1,000 hits on a video already. I hope that guy does some business. You know, if he doesn't do a good job, I think it looks pretty good to me, though.
Like mustard? It looks mustard, and then when it's out in the light, it's like...
Yeah, and when the sun hits it, it looks at the very different.
Yeah, it's nice.
The gold chain, everything looks nice on there.
Yep.
Yeah, that's sweet. I'm glad you got new tires on it. You're not one of these guys like me that would put the old tires back on.
So let me show you what I did. I pretty much...
All right, let's see. Go into the light. Fluorescent light is better.
Sanded everything down because I want to do a little windy stripe here. I want to learn how to do all this. So you got it all sanded. So now I prime this whole thing and then wet sand it. Is that the deal now? Is that what you usually?
Step one. Anything that's shiny.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna give it another one. So
you want the whole thing to look, and do it with a block, not with your hand. I'll give you the block when you stop on that.
Well, you know what I was using? You know those spackle sponges, and then I put the paper under it.
Probably
because
okay.
It does better with the
contour. Probably okay. You get a smoother look. But see, this is still too shiny. What happened? The reason it's no good, you will have the paint will be beautiful. You'll be buffed out. You hit a bump, and also the paint's not sticking. Now this is called a valley, where if the paint shrunk, it would pull up. This is a mountain, this is a valley. So a mountain, you don't care. But in a valley, if that's shiny there, guaranteed that's gonna pop right up.
Okay, so I'm definitely gonna get this whole thing a nice one, everything.
Primer sealer, then sand it down. Get some,
But when I primer seal it, I do a wet sand.
Yes, and when you come over my house, I'll supervise you doing it. I can't do it anymore, but you can.
Well, I want to learn. I did that whole room downstairs.
I want you to learn how to do it.
And I got the whole room to myself now. I can spray in there and do everything. It's nice.
Well, we could do it at your house. We set it up, but the stink in your house If you got people living in your, you know, that's why I can't do it anymore.
You can't
Oh,
do
I mean, I could do this then. I could
can do
just,
it.
you know,
Now, if he gets this all, where's the tank?
pushing this around and then pushing this feels like a Harley compared to this.
This is very heavy. I was surprised. I forgot whose bike I moved. I'm like, what
It's very heavy, yeah.
fuck? It feels like it's a small bike. It feels heavier than mine, like more than KTM, more than my BMW. I'm like, huh? What?
Yeah, when I put this on here, I'm like, oh my god.
Yeah, it feels.
Did you ever weigh it?
Oh, I remember
No.
my friend Mike. He has.
I don't think the scale goes
track
that
bike.
high.
He has a track bike, so I went to move it. I'm like, why is it so heavy? Oh, it's like this. I'm like, it can't be that heavy. It is heavy.
Yeah, but there's bikes. The MT-09.
750 is much.
There's bikes the same weight as the MT-09. You get on the MT-09, it's half the weight. Well, I don't know why. I wish I
You
knew.
mean the MT-09 have the weight of Aprilia?
When you get an MT-09 and you get a bike that's the same weight, you get on the MT-09, it feels so
Lighter.
much lighter.
No, but the bike.
I'm telling you, it's a magic trick. It's a
probably
magic trick.
430 pounds of shit like this, because my jigsaw. We got decent money. I helped him get the bike when they were just coming out. Everybody was charging over sticker. So I called the guys I know. I said, I have a customer. He's my good customer. Needs the bike. How much? Sticker. No good. You gotta do a little bit better. 50 on the sticker. No, we got $1,000 on the sticker, which is at that time, I think it was 08, 06, just came out. 07, we sold it back 4 years ago maybe, in 20. I got, so, hey, 1,100 miles. Okay. How much? It's like 12 grand, 11.5. I said, do you want to deposit now? Or do you want us to pick it up tomorrow? With my truck, I got the
That's cool,
wraps.
having a picture and having a bike right there.
You know, we get there, the bike is actually 110 miles.
This is what I like. I put this on the video already. It's collection.
110 miles. So there was a Triumph dealership, they just got Indian license also. So they were moving in a bigger place. So I think at that time there was a bunch of rebates on those bikes because nobody was buying these bikes. They were unique bikes, all carbon fiber bodywork. Nobody's buying it. I don't know why. Beautiful bike. So I guess she got all the rebates. She registered it for the warranty. So by the time it went,
This will be an interesting project over the winter, I'm sure. Stay tuned.
The warranty right now.
I'm sure it'll be interesting.
It's a bike, 110 miles. I got him. By the way, he's selling a couple of bikes. If you know anybody who wants them, his bike 2009, 2019 maybe 2009. I don't remember. I gotta look it up. I think it's 2019. But it's the only year they came up with the blue color.
Okay.
So I got.
Now, I'm glad Guy is getting some good use out of a lot of my track day stuff. I gave him my back protector and the lift and different things that, because I'm not doing track days anymore, he'll be able to use. But the painting skills that I can help him with, he's got the powder coating parts back on this, and of course the brand new tire is nice. This bike, he's in love with as a track bike. We've already posted a day of him at the track, with Vlad in fact. And I know he'll pick up the skills of painting very, very quickly. And once he has his own spray area, which he's underway, we didn't want to do any photographing in the house today because he's still painting and stuff in there. But next time we're up there, we'll get some pictures of what will be his spray booth. He will pick up the skills quickly. He's a skilled contractor. He rebuilds engines. He does all mechanical work. Very talented guy. I'm sure picking up the skill of painting will be no biggie for him. And he's already got, this will be coming up, the second season on his track bike. He got it all the way out in Pittsburgh. He's had nothing but good luck with it and done a lot of work on it and brought it up to speed. And I think next season we're going to have nothing but very cool reports of success at the racetrack. So with the winter coming, I'm sure we're going to be interacting with Guy at his shop, at my shop, in the paint shop, in the mechanical shop, maybe even up at Jim Skinner's shop. I'm not sure. A lot of cool stuff coming on the video over the winter when we do our renovation things. and hope you'll join us for some of those videos. Join us for our ride videos. We have 3,200 videos out there now. Hope you enjoyed them all. If you do enjoy these presentations, please take a second, hit the like button. I appreciate it so much. And most of all, thank you so much for watching.